So what do you actually need to start an affiliate marketing business? Well, as someone who's done over 7 figures as an affiliate marketer and started from absolute scratch in my spare time a couple years ago, I'm going to tell you the absolute truth here is you don't need a whole lot. Now, first, obviously, you need an affiliate offer. But after that, the first thing you actually need is some sort of website and autoresponder. Sometimes we call these funnels. The reason you need this is because you have to use your website to capture emails and pre-frame your leads for offers, but you also need the autoresponder so you can automatically follow up with them, because otherwise you're going to have to talk to people, and we don't really want to do that. And if you don't follow up with people, they're not going to buy at the same rate. Now, after you have your basic website and autoresponder set up, you're going to need some sort of content creation system. And that really is a fancy way of saying the phone in your pocket, right? Creating content is how you're going to get traffic to your website or your funnel. Now, after that, the next thing you're probably going to want to invest in is some sort of lighting, like an inexpensive ring light or something, because without a ring light, your videos are going to look dark and they're not going to be very attractive to the viewer. So that's the first thing I would get. From there, a microphone is always good. It helps create better audio, and that's more important than getting something like a fancy camera. And finally, the third thing when your business is going good is if you want to invest in a fancy camera like I have, you can. It's more fun, but other than that, you don't really need anything else. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I do have a 100% free course for you.